Amazon Australia has finally released their smart clock radio Echo Spot in Australia. And the nice man from Fast Away Couriers has delivered mine a day early. And a disclaimer at the head of the video, I'm not being paid by Amazon for this review, and the Echo Spot was bought with my own money. Time to see what's in the box. Packaging was not an issue, with the goods arriving in perfect condition. Along with the Spot, I was advised to purchase a stand by a good friend, which I'm very glad I did. It allows me to angle the Echo Spot to whichever is easiest to read. And the Echo Spot itself it's heavy and feels very solid. It comes with the Australian power adapter and a few instructions. The base is what it is, and also feels very well made with a non-slip base. The face of the Echo Spot is protected by a thin plastic sheet which is easily removed, and there she is, the Echo Spot, complete with a camera in the face for video conferencing. It's time to plug it in and power it up and see what this baby can do.
Hello. Ready for setup. Hello.
Choose your Wi-Fi, which you should see listed on the screen by scrolling through the choices, and then enter your Wi-Fi password. A one-time only registration is necessary using your Amazon username and password, which can be set up in amazon.com.au. This is different to your Wi-Fi username and password. And you're then presented with a 2-minute welcome video.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot.
The Echo Spot will then look for and install any updates available.
As I install the updates, your Echo Spot will restart twice.
It takes about 10 minutes to install the new update, long enough to read through the quick start instructions that came in the box with the Echo Spot. When the update is completed, you're right to go. Alexa, what's on my calendar for the coming Saturday?
On Saturday, May 5th, there is one event. At 7 a.m. there's day shift.
Yep, 12 hours of fun coming up there. With the assistance of the Amazon Alexa app, available for both Apple and Android phones, I added the skill for it to connect to my Ring video doorbell. Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
Connecting to the doorbell was as simple as entering my Ring doorbell username and password into the app. Time to listen to some music. Alexa, play iHeartRadio.
Getting the last iHeart radio station you listen to. Love Songs Radio.
Let's get out.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the current temperature? And check the weather.
Right now in Golden Point, it's 18 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 19 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
Oh yes, a beautiful day and a great product from Amazon. Time to hook up the smart lights now. In summary, this is a great product.